The GlenGuard 5.3 ounce CSP material protects against a variety of chemicals. To demonstrate the efficacy of our EcoRepelzz finish, we have several frequently used chemicals that we'll be exposing to both the GlenGuard CSP material and a conventional non-FR polycotton blend using a modified AATCC 193 test method. As you can see, the chemicals are immediately absorbed when applied to the traditional fabric, potentially exposing the wearer to undue risk. However, our GlenGuard 5.3 ounce CSP fabric with EcoRepelzz technology will provide an added layer of protection against incidental chemical splash exposure. While you should always consult your site-specific risk hazard assessment for proper PPE, our EcoRepelzz finish will provide an added layer of protection against incidental chemical splash exposure. Stay safe.